And just like that, ladies and gentlemen, we are live. How's everybody doing tonight? Hello, chat. Talk to me, guys. Yo, yo, yo. Are we investing in Rio 2022? Yes or no, chat? How you guys doing? How is everybody doing today? Welcome, gamers. Howdy, howdy, howdy. I am live. Yes, I am live. We're here. We made it. We survived the week. It's Friday. Chat, what is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Rio 2022 Contenders sticker capsule, 57 cents. What is this lunacy? What is this lunacy, chat? What is happening? Yo, 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 what's up there, Bliskov? Rubik, welcome, Mr. Max. Hey, Fano, have you seen the autographs are going up as well? Have they? No way. They're all going up, man. It's a wild time, man. It's a wild time. Challengers are 42 cents. Holy candle, what the? Holy candlestick, chat. Look at that. Holy cow, I told you it would blow up. Damn. Damn, that is sick. I honestly didn't expect them to just stalk that fast. It doesn't make sense to me. Oh, it makes plenty sense. I could see it a mile away. That's crazy, man. I'm just, wow. Wow. It was so obvious. Like, nobody really wanted to put a finger on it, but like, there you go. Those that did, you guys got rewarded handsomely. Is that the Rio autograph? This is the Rio autograph. Not all of them are autographs. I already made 150 pound profit. Congrats to you, dude. Congrats. Look at that, dude. The team stickers, man. Holy fat candlestick up, green, beautiful, just up. I sold all of my 00 Nation stickers yesterday at 31 cents each, and today they're 54. Well, why'd you do that? That was a mistake. That was a mistake. You shouldn't have sold all of them. You should have sold some of them, not all of them. There you go. Learn through experience. Why would people buy them now instead of 25 cents back then? They had plenty of time. They're buying them now because they're removed, Steven. Now no new ones are being added to the game. Before, you could buy it in infinite supply because they, as long as you had enough money, you could buy. But now Valve decided to say, hey, no new ones are ever going to get added, and people are pouncing in. They're trying to buy. Limited time only. Yeah, exactly. Contenders and challengers are at 37 euros now. Depending on where you buy them. Oh, you mean signatures? Yes. I'm holding 1K Rio capsules at the moment. They will probably dip when the rest become tradable. We will see. We will see, Spark. We will see. Hey, Fano, looks like you can't get rid of me. No, I cannot. I plan to craft 4 max gold Rios. When should I buy? Well, I have to look at the price of the sticker, but you probably should have bought yesterday. And that's rhetorical. I mean, you should have bought when it was, the cheapest. Will Mouse Hollow and Mouse Gold 2022 go up? 2022 Rio? Probably. It depends, though. There's a lot of factors. There's a lot of factors. 00 Nation exploded? Yes. 00 Nation exploded. It'll probably go up, but like it depends on how the team does, in Paris and how their stickers are. Contenders are going to reach $1 soon. That would be nice. So people who invest in them buy lots of them for more money in the hope of it being more expensive all of a sudden with the current supplies. Well, I mean, to be fair, Steven, a lot of people just didn't want to invest in it because they were scared. And now that they're seeing that there, is demand for it, and they're just FOMOing in right now. And since no new ones are added to the game, obviously the supply is in a shock. It's low. It'll drive the price up. At least I have 50% of my 00 Nation Hollow still. That's good. They won't reach $1 before Antwerp does. Well, they're both good. I think both capsules are good. I like Antwerp and Rio. I'm invested in both. Is it still a good idea to invest, or is it too late? I mean, it depends. Like, where is, like there are some people like this Squiddy guy who's dumping 57, and Mad Cat, these guys are dumping. They're probably going to be upset when the sticker reaches couple dollars, and they're gonna be like, why did I sell too early? But this is, I will admit though, like this price action, if you look at it, like this is a fat candlestick. Like it's not supposed to go up that much, like in that short amount of time. You know what I mean? Like this thing went parabolic, like just vertical, just like boom, just up. That is a little bit too crazy. And obviously you're gonna have people that are dumping right now, which is fine, I suppose. You know, take your profits. But it really depends on if you're a long-term investor or not. And yeah, we will see if you're gonna hit your price targets. Remove top chat. All right, I got you. We're now on live chat. I mean, it was slow. That's why people bought in. Don't you think it was not slow? What are you talking about, dude? This thing, 3 days for it to double in price. That's not slow. That's super fast. Look at this huge. How can you tell me this candlestick, this big fat green arrow up is slow? That is not slow. Fano, what should I invest with 15 euros? Operation Pass when it comes out. It's gonna go down for a bit now anyways. We will see, Sherry, we will see. Is there more potential in it? Probably. Right now people are selling, trying to like make some profits, but you know, it probably will go up, I'd imagine. I am proud to say that I own 2,000 capsules, Gamer Legion, Mouse, Hollow Nation. Okay, that's not bad, that's not bad. I think you should, 100 other hollows and autograph golds. I think capsules are the way to go, Tom. I'd rather you have more capsules than those, but they're all good. Operation is not going to come anytime soon, though. You never know. I have 7,000 Antwerp's capsules and only 1K Rio. I was scared from Rio being a failure, and a lot of people I know didn't invest in Rio. Exactly. And that's why these things are stonky now. People have been aware for the 7-day sell hold when buying from the store. People have to be aware of the 7-day sell hold when buying from the store. Well, buying from the store is already passed, so like you can't buy anymore. So we're still good. We're still good. Yeah. Yo, Sophia, become a member. Thank you, Sophia. Welcome to the Fano Squad. 6 months. 6 months, chat. Look at that purple badge. Oof. Looks good. That's a W, Sophia. W. How many capsules do you have, Fano? How many capsules do I have? I have about 100 contenders, and like, I'll be honest, I underinvested myself. I didn't invest heavily either. I'm pretty underinvested in Rio myself. I have like 69, only 69 capsules, 169 capsules. I don't have much. Are there member notifications for YouTube? There are member notifications. I think it's only for new members though. For resubs, I'm not sure why it's not showing up. I'd have to double check. It's usually for new members. I feel pretty now. Yes, you do. Let's see here. I underinvested too. I bought challengers and I thought about taking contenders and I didn't. If you have a gut feeling, you should go with it, man. I mean, there is Paris Major on the way, so we probably won't see an operation coming before September or October. They could add an operation. They could easily add an operation in like mid-March, or sorry, like end of March, early April. They could easily add an operation. I'm talking like sub notifications, you know? Sub notifications, like subscribers on YouTube, like follower notifications, I could enable it, but I'm okay. I think it's fine the way it is. Why did you choose contenders and why is that one going up? It's going up because well, obviously it has a lot of good teams in it. It has Furia, it has 00 Nation, it has Imperial. All the Brazilian teams are in one capsule. It also has some cool teams that have some interesting logos like Gamer Legion. Fnatic has a good logo. Outsiders, I mean, like, there's just so many good teams in this, like, good-looking stickers. It's all about demand, man. It's all about demand. 00 Nation is garbage? Incorrect, Herb. It's actually not garbage. It looks really, really good. The holo is absolutely beautiful on a lot of blue skins. And you know, obviously, the gold sticker seems to be very popular. A lot of people like these gold nuggets or whatever you want to call them. So, listen, you could deny the market, you could hate the market, but the market's always right. And yeah, you just gotta, you know, gotta go with what Mr. Market is saying. I'm talking about the team. Sure. Gamer Legion is honestly underrated as heck. They are. Do you think Rio is a good investment? I just think it's all blown out of proportion. They're gonna cap out real soon, I think, since the new major is right around the corner. Here's the thing, Zegas. If you think the new major stickers are gonna look good, then you might be onto something. But I'll be honest with you, man. I don't think the Paris major stickers are gonna look that great. I personally don't. I think they're gonna be as good as Rio, maybe a little better, maybe a little worse. I have no clue. I just don't think they're going to be on the same level as like Antwerp, Stockholm. So yeah, you're right. There's going to be a new major. There is, absolutely. But there's going to be some fireworks, especially in the qualifiers. You know, like Fnatic maybe doesn't qualify for the next major, or maybe 00 Nation doesn't qualify, or maybe Mouse doesn't qualify, and now the Rio capsule that has the Mouse sticker, like the Challengers, is gonna stonk like crazy. So like a lot of drama can happen between now and the next major, so I wouldn't just count out these capsules just yet. You know, Cloud9 might fail to qualify. People start to buy these, you know, these capsules, their stickers. So like, there's a lot of factors. There's a lot of factors at play. Yeah, there's a lot of factors. It is what it is. We'll have to wait and see. Will golden autos be a worthy investment? Autograph goldens? I think there are better investments. It's too niche for me. It doesn't have enough liquidity. Should I still buy these? You could if you want, but like, you gotta like have a strategy. You can't just buy and like, you know, it goes down a little bit and then you sell. That's not a strategy. Cloud9 beat G2, I doubt it. I was using that as an example, Cancer. Of course G2 is probably gonna qualify. Please, Fano, what is better to do now? Rio increased in price. Rio capsules or Stockholm Antwerp hollows? Well, everybody's talking about Rio because they were recently removed. So, you can just do a little of both, honestly. Like, you don't have to just, like, commit to one. It's up to you, though. How much do you think the price can drop in a few days? I don't have a crystal ball, chat. I can't tell you how much it's gonna go up or how much it's gonna go down. Nobody can tell you that. I can't see into the future. I can only predict, and I'm predicting that they will probably go up in the future. But, how high, I really can't tell you. We'll have to wait and see. How many did you buy? I didn't buy too much. I only bought, like a couple hundred. That's about it. Not too much. It's not my big investment. I have way too much Antwerp. I don't really need a second big investment. Hey, found it's currently 4 AM in my country and I need to sleep, so can you just make this watchable after the stream or just clip the important parts? I have 150 Rio capsules. You're good, Ners. You're good. This will be available after the stream ends, so it's okay if you have to go to bed. Make sure you hit that like button, though, Ners, before you leave. Hit that like button. Why do people want to buy only when prices go up? We had 2 months of a sale. Well, here's the thing, Alex. Steven asked the same question, and I'm going to give you the same answer. You had 2 months to buy. However, you could buy as many as you wanted. You could buy an infinite supply. Nobody wanted to. Now, Valve removed them, and you can't get an infinite supply, and now they become rare. Now, if you want to buy a new one, you can only buy it from people that have already purchased it. And since so few guys have touched it, the supply is pretty low. And because now that they're removed, they have this demand, low supply, there you go. Price goes up. Very simple economics. Just makes it, you know, you just gotta like, you really gotta like, it's not terribly difficult, but you gotta like wrap your head around that, you know? People are trying to bargain on my music kit. Who cares about music kits, Herb? That's irrelevant. We're talking capsules, Herb. It's definitely gonna be better. I'm not saying it's gonna be better than Antwerp or Stockholm. Facts. It's so funny that when I made a poll asking if people will invest in Rio and only 20% said yes, 74%, wait, what? If people will invest in Rio and only 20% said yes, now 74% said yes. So many people are FOMOing into it. Yeah, because they're removed. Because they removed it from the store. There's no new ones being added. It's a rare item. Please invite me on Steam. I send you a message. What? Invite you? The supply is so low and the odds of getting a gold is super low. Yeah, exactly. Hollows are hard to get. Golds are hard to get. Completely agree. People use the argument that there's no application demand, hence no one would buy Rio after the sale ended. FOMO is really a thing, Jesus. It is. I mean, technically, Steven, you are missing out because these things are gone from the store. They're now no new ones are ever. The supply is only going down every day. Every day that goes by, the supply goes down a lot. Or a decent amount, right? Because new ones are being unboxed every day. So, yeah, they are becoming rare, and you are missing out. So people are trying to get in right now, you know? It is what it is. Don't try to make sense of it, chat. It is what it is, man. It's emotions, it's excitement, it's rarity, it's all that good stuff. Just, it is what it is, man. It is what it is. Greetings. How you doing there, Inez? What's up, man? I sold all my revolver cases. Ouch. Do you think contenders will hit €1 before Paris Major? They could. We'll have to wait and see, though, but sure. I could see that happening. I'm not saying it will happen. I'm saying it could happen. It could definitely happen. Also, all stickers are more expensive than Antwerp. That's why return on investment when you open is higher than any capsule from Antwerp or Stockholm. Stockholm has low supply too, dude. And they have some pretty expensive stuff, so. I missed your voice, Fano. What do you mean you missed my voice? How you doing there, Dark? Will you buy more Rio capsules? Considering I have like so many Antwerps at the moment, I kind of don't want to, you know what I mean? Like I could invest more money, but I already have way too many other investments that I just don't. I mean, I'm not saying that Rio isn't a good investment. I'm just saying like there's just so I have so much already going for myself, you know, I don't need to invest more. Do you think revolver cases will go up more? Yes. What's up there, Kale? How you doing, man? Stockholm capsules have gone quiet for some time now. Yeah, when they're quiet, that's when you should be buying if you're a long-term believer. Yeah, exactly. The Bad News Eagles Hollow, they're a good investment. They're beautiful to me. They're pretty good. I know what you mean, bro. I want to invest more into Rio. It's just I have so much shit. Yeah, exactly. Like, I already have way too many things going on. Way too many investments. I just don't want to, like, put more money in, you know? I could. I very well could, but, like, let's just see how this works out. Should I sell them now when they go up? I mean, they're already going up, so like you could sell now. Currently 55 cents. It's up to you if you want to sell now or just hold on. Like look at this guy, this Naruto guy. He's panicking. Prices went down to 55 and he's canceling his 57. This is some emotional child right here who really wants fast profits. Yeah. You have to keep in mind, chat, the average age, you know, is probably like, on the Steam market, is probably like 16. So, these guys aren't very professional that you're trading with. So anyways, it is what it is. Anyways. Hello guys, what's up there, Ruben? I bought only a few hundred of them, same. I have, I've opened 00 Nation Hollow like a couple days ago, should I keep it? Only one? I mean, if you've already opened it, what you could do is sell it. If it does dip, you buy more. If it doesn't dip, then you just put that money into something else. That could be a strategy. The mouse glitter is now $1.30. It was today 80 cents. Yeah, they've been running up a lot. Sell and reinvest, you could, yeah. How's your day going, Fano? My day's going all right. Can't complain. Can't complain, chat. Can't complain. It's going all right. Going all right. Going all right, boys. It's going all right. It's going all right. Why so soon today? I decided to go a little bit early today just so that, you know, it's not too late for too many people. Generally, when I do these late night YouTube streams, a lot of people, like, have to go to work the next day. They don't like my time schedule, like, so I tried to go a little bit earlier on YouTube today. Hopefully you're not complaining. You better not be complaining. I'm doing this for you, chat. This is a sacrifice on my part. I could be working right now on a Friday, but I'd much rather talk about skins. It's currently 12 p.m. for me. Nice. You think it's too late to buy Rio capsules? I don't think it's too late, but then again, I think it's riskier. Buying now is riskier than it was a week ago. You know what I mean? So you could, you know. Whenever somebody asks me, is it late? I'm just gonna say, like, probably not, but it was much better when it was cheaper. Buy 25 cents, sell 50 cents, double profit easy. You're forgetting, fees and taxes. But yeah, it's almost a double profit in a few days. That's still pretty good. Easier said than done, yep. 00 Nation Hollow is $12.50, what the hell? Yep, 00 Nation hype. 00 Nation hype. My Cloud9 Hollow was around €5 and got already to around €7. I'm telling you, man, people slept on Rio. People like to dunk on Rio, think that it's a dead investment, but no, Rio's fine, dude. I bought 100 capsules with the mouse sticker in it and also 100 with 00 Nation. Bruh, I think I'm gonna ball out and sell. You could sell if you want to, man, but just be careful. I would hate for them to go to 75 cents and then you'd be like, why did I sell all my capsules? I'm an idiot. Nah, Take some profits though. Take some profits. It's good to take profits, chat. Nobody ever got hurt taking a profit. What Rio capsule should I buy? Apparently the contenders is the most popular one, but I think all of them are fine. I'm personally only invested in contenders and challengers, but I think all are pretty good. I dropped 3 new cases and earned around $15 profit. Good for you. I knew that people would sleep on it, but I felt like everyone was aware, so I didn't fully commit. Yeah, I mean, yeah, I agree with that. I agree with that. What do you think it will go up to? Like, what's a realistic price for them? Honestly, it went up so much, and it's like it's just crazy the way it has been going up. I honestly couldn't tell you. Like, this thing could go back down to 40 cents, or it can go up to 70 cents in the next few days. I have no clue where it's gonna go. It's so volatile, and just like, I have no clue where it's headed. I'll tell you where it's not headed. It's not headed back to 25 cents, I'll tell you that much. I would be surprised if it goes back down to 25. Like, very surprised. But that's just me. I have no clue. I honestly don't know. We'll have to wait and see. How much is it for the contenders? Right now, 57 cents. I will wait. You could wait. Don't buy now. Thing is in a hype, so wait for it to settle. I said the same thing about Mouse Hollows. Or sorry, not Mouse Hollows. I said the same thing about Mouse Challengers, chat. I said the same thing about Mouse Challengers from Stockholm. Not Mouse Challengers, sorry. PGL, or whatever it's called. Stockholm Challengers. So, if you look at Stockholm Challengers, and you look at its lifetime, I bought when it was like 25 cents, so I accumulated down here. And then I saw that it went up to like, and then, yeah, so then it started rising. It went up all the way to 64 cents, which is about the same time frame as the contenders, right? Same chart as the contenders. And I was like, 64 cents, let me settle down. There's no hype. Let me sell. And then I sold almost all of my capsules at about 64 cents. And then these little things, they went up all the way to $1, and I was like, what the hell? And then I was like, yeah, well, I sold too early. So, I'm not making that same mistake. You know what I mean? If it goes back down, it goes back down. I'll just buy more, I guess. I don't know. It is what it is. If you were smart, you would have bought in the sale. You had 3 months to buy. True. I think Paris will be over-invested. Probably. What do you think about it? Makes sense. What do you think about Rios? I think Rios are cool. I think they were underinvested, and a lot of people stayed away from them. Why do you have so many blue spruces? They were given to me as a gift. Somebody just gave them to me. One of my viewers. Fano, no. Is it a smart idea to sell Antwerp contenders to buy Rio? Why? Why would you sell Antwerp to buy Rio? Antwerp looks better than Rio. It's older than Rio. Yes, it has a higher supply, but I think they're both fine. I don't know, man. I don't know if I mean, maybe you could. I don't know. I wouldn't do that. I'm keeping my Antwerp capsules. Rio stickers look bad. The only good ones are golds. Well, that's your opinion, but I mean, hey, I think Rio golds are good. I think some of the hollows are very good. To each his own, I suppose. Yeah. Anyways, contender sticker capsules quantity on the Steam and buff is 50k, the second highest quantity after challenger stickers, which is 55k. I agree with you, Tasty Pickle. I don't have that many Rio capsules, but if I still profit from it, it's fine. Yes, sir. There also has to be some sort of demand to keep the supply from going down. Now people are just stocking up, which is pretty bad. Yeah, right now people are just stocking up so that, you know, they can hoard, they can artificially increase the demand. Right now there really is, like, the only thing that's changed is no new ones are being added to the game. So it sparked some demand. It sparked people wanting to buy them because, hey, I can't get them anymore for free, or not for free, but like indefinitely. I have to buy them from traders, from like, no new ones are being added, right? So there's this initial demand that always happens, which, you know, I could see it a mile away. The question is, will the demand continue? And how much will this continue? And I'm saying that there is a possibility that sometime between now and Paris, there may be some drama in the form of, you know, the qualifiers for Paris, where a team like 00 Nation or Fnatic or Mouse Sports or G2 or, okay, G2 doesn't have a Rio capsule, but you guys get the point, a sticker. You guys get the point. They fail to qualify, and for some reason, their capsule becomes, you know, high in demand because we're going to be missing them from the upcoming major. So, like, upsets can happen, and there are catalysts out there for, you know, I would say it require, I don't want to say it's gambling, but like you are technically risking and hedging like that, you know, there'll be some sort of demand for your sticker capsule. I don't know, man. Honestly, chat, just, you know, if you bought them at 25 cents, you're still in profit. If you want, you can sell a couple, that's fine. I think it would be a mistake to sell all of them. That's what I'm saying. Selling out your entire investment right now just because of the initial FOMO hype seems like a mistake from my experience. But who knows, man? Who knows? Anything can happen. This is all risky. Do I buy 55 cents? If you're planning to sell at $1, 55 cents is what it is, man. I mean, hey, be happy with your profits. Yeah, exactly. I sold 60%, happy with profit. Sounds good. Hey, lock in some profit. Good for you. I bought only one of each just to add to the collection. Nice. Just unboxed a Nomad case hardened. Good. I'm gonna keep it some time as an investment. I have to look at the pattern. Right now we're not really looking at individual skins. We're just talking about investments. But that's a cool unbox, my guy. Good for you. I invested 50 euros in capsules without pretty much knowing anything about them. Happy to have bought them. 50 euros is still 50 euros. That's pretty good. Let's see here. Rio stickers are good because they are scratchable. I don't know if that's why they're good. I mean, they're good when they're scratched, the hollows, but I don't know if that's the main catalyst. Historically speaking, you don't usually scratch stickers. You know, they lose value when they get scratched. But I do agree with you that they look better when scratched on some skins. What's up there, Adrian? How you doing, man? Bro, I invested in Antwerp. I saw it went down and I sold to get a game. Lol. That's horrible, dude. Why would you sell your investment when it's down? Rio background versus RMR background. I'd rather have the Rio, especially hollow. The Rio hollow background is way better than the Rio, sorry, the RMR background. I would take Rio hollow any day of the week. Plus, Rio hollow is rarer to unbox than the RMR hollow is. RMR hollows are has a way more supply, and it's way easier to get the hollow. So it's kind of hard to compare the two. They really don't have much in common, except maybe like slightly less demand than like Maus or any of the other majors. Or sorry, not Maus. Sorry, Stockholm. Either way, chat. It's, you know, just try your best. Pick your favorites. Don't get too emotional, and just go with it, man. RMR hollows are basically zoomed in glitters. You said it. I still have 6 Dick Stacy foils from Kato. Will it go higher in price? And sure, I guess. I mean, you know, potentially, yeah. I mean, sure. Dick Stacy's a cool sticker, I guess. Yeah. I don't know. I don't think there's gonna be like as much demand as there used to be, but yeah, I'm sure. Has a funny name. Thoughts on Krakow golds? They're way too expensive. I think there's better money to be made elsewhere. People need to remember that the odds to get the better stickers are now harder to get, and now we have less supply than most capsules. It's bound to go up, don't you think? That's fair. Unless the Paris stickers are like really good, and then people wouldn't have an incentive to open these. But I do agree that, yeah, supply is pretty low. When will you sell your capsules? Considering I don't have too many of these Rios, I'm not really in a rush to sell. I'd probably sell them, you know, if the contenders starts going even higher, I'd probably sell it when it's way higher. $2, $3, $4. If it ever reaches those levels, I'd probably sell. But I'm not in a rush because I only have 100 or so. So I'm not in a rush to sell. Do you think Fracture Case will do good after they get removed? Probably. Probably. I mean, contenders or pretenders? Sure. Only 100, I have 60. Nice. 60 is still good. Better than nothing. Let's see, how is the poll looking? Are you invested in... Are you invested? Why do I have to sign in? Oh my god, dude, this thing is so stupid, dude. Hold on. Hold on, chat. Did I actually lose this? Give me 1 second, boys. Let me actually pop this out here. How we doing, chat? How we doing? How are we doing? I thought I was already logged in. But anyways, I'm here. How are we doing with the poll? 67% said yes. What's your main investment, chat? Out of Rio, what was the main thing you invested in? Let me know. Like, your #1 Rio investment. Like, you have the most of. Or the most money or the most capsules, whichever one is easier. Challengers? Antwerp? I said Rio, not like... wait, did I say Rio? I guess, what's your best Rio, like, your most, like, heavily invested Rio investment, right? 300 contenders, Fnatic, Hollow, and Papers. That's a good one. A gold sticker that you probably unboxed, right? I bought 10 contenders, 10 challengers. Nice. Hey, Fano, I have 2,000 of them. How should I do a sell? A little bit at 60 cents. Then, do you have any idea? I would probably sell... I'd probably sell a fifth at 60, another fifth at 80, another fifth at, you know, 100 or $1. Just, you know, something like that, right? I have a bunch of Mouse Glitters and Dust 2 packages. Good profit challengers. There is no way it can go wrong. Mostly Mouse and Cloud9. Good for you. I went full contenders because of the Brazilian teams. Fnatic. Easy, easy, easy. That was a smart play. That was a smart play. Contenders and contender autographs. I have 2,000 in total. Good for you. Rio capsules are going to the moon. Literally bought 20 of all capsules and 30 of the legends. Nice. Full challengers. You went all in on challengers. That's fine. I have 50 Dust 2 souvenirs. All right. We will see how that works, chat. We will see how that works. Hopefully, we see a lot of profit from those packages. I have 1 Rio automatic gold. Okay. What about souvenir Dust 2 packages? You'd have to... I don't know, man. I'm personally not the biggest fan of souvenir packages, but maybe. I have 2,000 in every Stockholm capsule. Whoa! Wait, what? Oh, wait, Stockholm wait, Stockholm or Rio? I have 2,000 in every Stockholm. Wow. 2,000 Challenger Stockholms? That's a lot of money. That's a lot of money, dude. 2,000. Good for you. Do you invest in cases? I do. I do invest in cases, yes. I feel like an idiot for buying 1K Rio Challengers and only 200 contenders. Do you have any hopium? I did buy a lot of 00 Nation Hollows. Don't feel bad, Max. Don't feel bad. Listen. The Challengers could just as easily spike as much, if not more, than the contenders. Just because contenders is having the spotlight right now doesn't mean that it can't flip. Just be patient. They will all probably rise. You'll have good odds. Don't get too greedy. Take some profits. You know, my man is a billionaire. Yes, he is. Holy smokes. I just read that Rio capsules are going to $4. Is this true? Where'd you read that? Who told you that? $4? Damn. I would love for them to go to $4. Are you kidding me? I bought 80 Dust 2 packages, 100 Mouse Glitters, and 7 Hollows. I like that you went with Mouse. Mouse is very good. Very good. I hope Mouse will mess up at Paris. I mean... yeah, if they do fail to qualify, that would be very nice for their stickers. It will cause a lot of people to want to buy them. But, nah. Just, you know, don't wish badly on those teams. May the better team win, alright? Whatever happens, chat. Now you're not investing, now you're just wishing. And that's not, wishing is not an investment. The thing... wait, I think the autograph capsules are a better investment, much less supply. It's more than just supply. You also have to have demand. And, you know, the reason I only went with teams is because historically team stickers have more demand than autographs historically, chat. And because Rio already had that lower demand, quote unquote, compared to like Antwerp, right? It had a much lower demand, much lower interest, right? Because of that, I figured might as well go with the sticker that has a low supply and has a higher demand, which is a low supply relative and then a higher demand than the others. So like, yeah, you're right. Autographs have a lower supply, sure. but do they really have a high demand? Like, that's the question you need to ask yourself. I think they'll all do fine though. If you bought them at 25, you'll be in the profit. In my opinion, Rio stickers look like poo-poo. Depends on which sticker. You have to be very selective with Rio. You can't just generalize all of them and say they're all shit, because I disagree. Hey Fano, are you reacting to inventories? Right now we're talking about Rio capsules. If you have a Rio capsule or like sticker or something you want me to talk about, we're just chilling here talking. Challengers has a less supply than Contenders from what I could tell on CSGO Float. That may be the case. That may be the case. But right now, Contenders have a higher demand. That could change. That could change. But we'll have to wait and see. Is the price of Rio just hype right now, or will it continue to hold its price? Right now, the price went up completely because of demand and hype. Can it die down? Yes. How low will it go? I have no clue. Can it continue? Yes. How high will it go? I have no clue. We're just gonna have to wait and see. I personally think that if you practice good money management, you take some profits on your price targets, right? If you've been following my streams, you buy at 25 cents, you sell a little bit at like 50, 60. A little bit, not all of it. If it goes down, whatever, it goes down. Eventually it should go up, and when it does, it hits a new price target, hits 80 cents, you sell a little bit more. That way, like, you just take some profits. Top 5 Rio stickers, Mouse, 00 Nation, Fnatic. Gamer Legion is pretty underrated. Imperial is pretty good too. There's a lot of good, like, there's some decent ones, guys. There's some decent ones. But, anyways, what do you think about the gold INS sticker? It's the new Kashander? Sort of. I guess. Kashander is very expensive though. But I see what you're saying. I definitely see what you're saying. Is it too late to buy Riptide Surf Shop stickers? No. I don't think so. I think if it dips, it would be perfect buying opportunity. Cloud9 Hollow is very clean as well. Yep, the Cloud9 is also pretty solid. Thoughts on 2015 Hollows? There's just way cheaper ones that look almost as good. Like the new Hollows that have been coming out aren't necessarily at the same level as Kato, but they still look really good for a much, much better price. Much cheaper price. So why would I spend $300, $400 for a Navi sticker when I can just buy a really good looking Hollow from Navi at like at like 100 times cheaper, you know? Like this makes no sense. I don't know, dude. Legends capsule is gonna go up. They should all rise with time, but like, yeah, I mean, Legends are fine too. Everybody like the stream? Yeah, hit that like button, chat. It's completely free. Maybe I'll give away a capsule or two if we hit it like, I don't know, 100 likes or something. Do I even have any tradable capsules? I'd have to check. But I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Should anybody try their luck opening capsules, or should they rather hold? Hold. Stop gambling. Don't gamble. Keep your investments. Opening your investments is a mistake. What is your worst and best investment? Over the years, I've made many mistakes. I can't say I remember the exact one investment that was really bad, but I've definitely sold out too early, and I've definitely sold at a loss before, so that I can funnel it into a different investment. Off the top of my head, I can't think of like a really bad investment, but whose future is bright, Antwerp or Rio? I think both, but like, I still have more Antwerps than Rios, so like I would hope Antwerp does better, but they're both fine. Hey Fano, I bought Astralis Gold for 30 euros. When did you do that? People will be disappointed in how Paris stickers look because of how spoiled we are from Antwerp. Facts. What's up there, Jazz? How you doing? Why are you laughing? I think people are now realizing that Rio Hollows are actually great. It's crazy. You guys had so much time to realize it, and now people are finally realizing when they're no longer in the store. That's humans for you, human emotions. Antwerp is RMR 2.0. What kind of a take is that? The only thing that they have in common is they both had a huge supply. That's the only thing they have in common. Antwerps are so much better looking and so much better demand than RMR. It's just, how can you even say that? How can you even say that? Yeah, they're not even like in the same league. Anyways, I have like 3,000 stickers from Rio. Is that good? What kind of stickers? Stickers or sticker capsules? I got a Fanatic Gold, 50 Fanatic Hollows, and 30 capsules each. Nice. Good for you. That's a good investment. My look on Rio hasn't changed. I still think they look pretty alright. I wouldn't say they are better than Stockholm or Antwerp though, but I never disliked team stickers, only disliked the autographs. Right. Gotcha. That's a fair take. What's Rio's max price? Should I be happy at 50 cents? I don't think you should be happy at 50 cents. I think you should take some profits, maybe. But you don't have to take all of it. I think selling all of your investments right now probably will be a mistake. Listen, I can't predict the future. Out of experience, I think it's a mistake to sell completely out just because it went up in price. I think you can sell a little bit if you bought at 25. You can probably sell, you know, a fourth of your investment, you know, a third. But I wouldn't go like selling all of it. That's just crazy. You're missing out on potential gains. I remember when Mao's Gold was 13 euros and I had 12.58 and I couldn't buy. Now they're like 100 and yeah, I know, dude. Mao's went up a lot. Hey man, I just bought some papers. I feel like these will go up in value maybe a little bit. I bought in Dexter Nexa because in terms of INS looks like a snake and Nexa Dexter looks... Yeah, I mean, I don't generally invest in papers. They're a little too cheap for me, you know. There's just too many of them. I have to store them. I think, I don't know, man. The supply is just too big. But, like, yeah, they'll probably rise. I'm not saying they're a bad investment. I don't know, man. It'll probably work out. I like your thesis, though, underrated. I like your thesis. That's a good thesis. Papers are sick if you're on a budget. Yeah, they're fine. Ramton says, hello, how you doing? Rio capsules are 40 cents here. Yes, sir. They've been rising. They have been rising, chat. They've been rising. And the crazy part is you got people dumping and you got people buying, which is just like, what? That's what you love to see. Oops. Before they were removed, it went down to 35 cents. Well, it is what it is. Hey man, would you say Operation Vanguard cases are a good investment? They'll probably rise, but I think there are better case investments than Vanguard, personally. Yeah, they have old knives, but there are better ones out there for sure. Cloud9 and Imperial Papers were great investments for me. Good for you. Going back to the fracture talk, is it a good time to buy fracture cases? Surely it won't go any lower right now. Well, what's the price of them? I have to see what the price of fractures are. Sure. You could buy. Right now is a great time to be buying the investments that nobody's talking about. That's probably what smart investors are doing, putting their money to work at places where nobody's really talking. Because right now everybody's talking about Rio. Rio this, Rio that. How much is stonking, right? Everybody's talking about it. I think you should take a look at stuff that nobody's really giving any love right now, but maybe will give love in the future, right? And that's how you make your investments. 21 cents on the Steam community market. Nice. I think, you know, Steven, I think it can go lower technically. But to be fair, all cases have been stonking like crazy. So you know, I wouldn't be surprised if it goes down, but I also wouldn't be surprised if it stays the way it is. So like, you know, might as well just buy if you're a long-term investor. You know what I mean? What's up with the revolver case? What happened to the revolver case? Is it rising? What's the price of the revolver? Revolver case is... Oh wow, fracture's 24. Where's revolver? Am I missing something? Why is it not here? It's on the second page? No way. Revolver is second page. Where's the revolver case? Did I miss it? There it is, 81 cents. Alright, so it's bouncing up and down, trying to find like some level of support here, which it seemed to have found at like the Wow, look at that. Look at that. 75. 75 and 75. Bounce back twice. That's pretty good. Might form a W, like, goes up. I personally see it going up, honestly. That's not bad. That's not bad. The Rio supply is underestimated. It is. Hey, Fano, do you think Headshot will go up in price? I think it's one of the nicest skins. No, I think the price is not going to go up. And it's not because it doesn't look good. It's not because there isn't demand. It's mainly not going to go up because it's in a case that's going to be opened millions of times. And I mean millions with a capital M. Over the next few years, there's going to be millions of them opened. So like, the cases, I mean, not the AKs. There's not going to be like millions of AKs opened. I'm just saying there's going to be a lot of AKs opened, a lot of cases opened, and the supply should, the supply should increase. Demand, as new skins get added, should go down. I don't think it will be a great investment. I think you should buy when it's cheaper. Fracture is sharing the Shattered Web knives, which is the skeleton OG knives. I could imagine that would make it want to go up. Yep, I agree. You want to check out my inventory? I've been investing for 2 years now. Red Diamond. I'll briefly look at it. Give me a second. I was thinking about getting 1 Stockholm Contenders and either the rest of Revolver Case or Fracture. What do you think? I think all 3 of them are fine investments. I think you should go whichever one you have the highest conviction. And diversifying into all 3 isn't a bad idea. Let me see here. Hold on. Oh, you stinker. Come on. Why is there a space in front of your name? Red Diamond. What's this investment? Alright, a bunch of capsules. Wow, okay, alright. We got a big investor in here. Look at you. Look at you. Wow. Big Rio investor. Oh, thousands of Rio. That's not bad. Okay. Thousands of Rios, and he has a lot of Antwerps too. Cool. Cool. Nice. Decent investments, man. Decent investments. I like it. I like it a lot. Yeah, most of them are challengers though, but that's fine. Challengers are still good. I like them all. I think you did a good job. And if you really bought your Horizon cases at 6 cents, even better, dude. Congrats on your investments. You're gonna be making a lot of money. You'll be in the green a lot. Congrats to you, man. I just invested into music kits. Music kits? I didn't know you could invest in music kits. I personally think there's not enough demand. Holy, you're a holder? Yeah, he's a nice holder, man. It's good. Do you have any extension to sell my investments quickly when I have lots of things? I've used the Steam inventory helper before. That's the only thing I've used. Yeah. I've used it before. I do blunders at a price hike. For me, I think the price will go further up, but in fact the price don't go up, and I end in missing hypes. Listen, man. When Valve told you that the sale was gonna end in a few days, you should have listened to them and bought when they told you. And if you didn't, that's on you. Next time, listen to what they say. You know what I mean? Have you ever used aimbot? Never. Can you see my Stockholm investments I bought a year ago? What do you think they will perform? Stockholm investments? I'm interested in that. I like Stockholm. I'm a big fan of Stockholm. Why am I so tired? It's a Friday afternoon, man. Ugh. Exhausted. Stockholm, Navi, I think they're better hollows. Navi's a popular team, though. Godsend, underrated. Floppy, pretty good. Fallen, autograph, decent. VP, very nice. FaZe, underrated. Fallen, again, love Fallen. Art, Patsy, okay. Entropics are nice. VPs are nice. Zywus are cool. VPs are amazing. G2s are You have a lot of G2s. That's interesting. Zipex, cool. Zhush, or no, that's Staven. Yeah, you have a lot of VPs, which I like. And a lot of vitalities, which are also underrated, and a lot of entropics. Spirits are cool, a lot of vitalities. I like the vitalities. The gambits are cool too. VPs are amazing. You have a lot of investments, dude. Holy cow. I would have diversified into capsules too. I'm assuming you have maybe some capsules in here, but the end is coming. What? But no, I mean you have a lot of teams, which is cool, and a lot of good hollows. Good for you, man. This is a good investment. You're definitely going to see profit in the future. I'm not worried about you. Not worried about you, man. G2 is like $4 or so. Any price predictions on Rio contenders? Let me know your honest opinion. I don't want to make price predictions just because it's like I can't predict the future with 100% certainty. So like if I say something, it could just as well go down. So like I want to tell you that it will continue to go up, but it could easily go back down a little bit. So I really don't know how high they're going to go. But I do think there are catalysts at play that could potentially continue this upward trend. So there are factors that are not in my reach, like not in my, like I can't affect it or anything. It's just, you know, that's just out of my control, I guess is what I'm trying to say. So where's, you know, between now and Paris, we have plenty of time and opportunity for these capsules to continue rising. So that's all I'm gonna say. Thoughts on Prisma 1 long term? Yes, I think long term those are good. Those are very good. I actually am invested in both. Hello, sir. Can you tell me if investing in contenders is a good call? I bought 30 of them. 30 of them? If you're gonna sell them at 60 cents, at 100, or sorry, yeah, $1, then yes, investing in them is a good idea. But you gotta have a time horizon, an exit strategy, and what is the best investment? I don't really understand CSGO investing. I'm new to this, my name. Okay, so here's the thing. Right now, we just had a Rio sticker sale for the Rio sticker capsules. You should have invested during the sale when it was cheap. Now, these are no longer on sale, and the price went up to, I don't know, 50 cents, 55 cents, whatever. Buying right now is risky, but it can be rewarding. So if you want to take on a little bit extra risk, you could buy now, or you could wait a few days and see what happens. However, if you choose to wait and the price goes up to 70 cents, you know, you missed out on quite some decent gains. So you'll be buying it for a higher price. Unless you think it'll continue to rise, which nobody can predict. I just bought 15 Fnatic Rio normal stickers from Buff. I think Fnatic is a good team from Rio. I think that's not a bad idea. Can I show you my inventory and you can rate it? I bought all the things at the lowest price. I spent like $5. I know since I keep track in Excel, how can I send it to you? You can take a screenshot of your Excel and post it in my Discord server. You can just post it in the chat in Discord. Best cheap skins to invest in. There's a lot of skins. Cheap skins? I mean, best cheap skins. Jeez. How cheap is cheap, I guess, is my question. What do you consider cheap? I invested in regional, RMR 2020. I have 36 of them, and I bought them for €1 each. What? €1 each? What? When did you buy? When was Rio ever? When was Rio ever $1? Like, what? Honestly, it's risky, but highly rewarding, and you don't really lose a lot, so you can kind of recover what you invested in. Well, I wouldn't say that. If I were to throw in a couple $1,000s into Rio, and the price goes back down to 25 cents, I would have lost a lot of money. Almost like a couple thousand, almost 1,000. He's talking RMR stickers. Which stickers? Cheap skins up to €5. Trade up skins, industrial grades from old collections like Norse. Norse is probably gonna be more than 5, but like, you know, old collections like that. Industrial grades. Industrial grades. Industrial grades. Oh, that's crazy, man. Look at that. All day today, it's been stonking. People are, and then Salvation, people are trying to like exit their position, lock in some gains, which, you know, isn't terrible. Obviously it's gonna happen. But yeah, that's cool. How much is your USPS skin? Mine? It's a USPS minimal wear with a Cato 15 paper. I honestly, off the top of my head, can't tell you how much it's worth. Maybe this adds a couple dollars, but I'm not entirely sure. Vampire, thank you so much for following me, dude. Or for subbing. Thank you, dude. Appreciate the love, man. What up, Fano? Cena, how you doing, man? Why are 00 Nation stickers so expensive? There's also rumors, chat, that the 00 Nation stickers are, the team has a new logo, so that's partly to blame. Just, you know, it looks really good. It's a very unique sticker. It's a one of one. It's only found in one major, the Rio major. So like people are investing in it, right? It just makes a lot of sense. It's a rare sticker, unique sticker, good logo. Team might get a logo change. Yeah, there's just a lot of, you know, it looks good on blue skins. It's a Brazilian team. Brazil has a lot of fans. Just a lot of catalysts. I don't know what else to tell you. RMR 2020 for the long term? No, don't be buying RMR right now. It's a mistake. I have 50 Cello Hollows. Is that a good sticker? Buying autograph sticker capsules is a popularity contest. If suddenly Cello becomes the best player in the world, then yes, that investment is insane. You made the best investment of your life. But the likelihood of him becoming top 3 in the world is highly unlikely, so you know what I mean? Like, it's a popularity contest at that point. I don't know, dude. I don't know. Is it a good sticker? Sure. There's gonna be definitely people interested, but, I mean, it's not gonna be as mainstream as, you know, a simple sticker. I have 100 papers and 10 hollows. Cool. I'm on a budget, but do you consider investing a part of my money in CSGO as the right call? Oh, I think so, Arthur. I think investing into CSGO assets is definitely smart. Don't feel obligated to like rush though. That's the thing with CS. Like I don't want you to like invest because you have to. Pick your spots to enter and like Rio to the moon, Bitcoin to the ground. Ouch. Aloha, how you doing there? Rio to the moon. Crazy how the Rio capsules are higher than some of the Antwerps. I know. I mean, that's because of the supply. It has a way lower supply. Way lower supply. Do you think Rio can hit $1? Yes. In the span of 6 months to a year, yes. Pros, catalysts in the form of Paris stickers being shits, teams not qualifying for Paris, that could be positive catalyst. Low supply, that's a positive catalyst. New skins added to the game, that's a positive catalyst. Cons, you have to scratch the hollows for them to look good on a lot of skins. Cons, they have a border. A lot of people don't like border. A lot of people like to hate on them. But that's about it. If you don't mind those, if you don't mind that. 9Z. Yeah, 9Z is cool. But I don't think 9Z is that popular enough of a team to carry a capsule like Mouse can. I think 00 Nation can. I think Fnatic can. I think G2 can. And I personally think 9Z hollows look better on Antwerp than Rio. Because of it doesn't have a border. Granted, you can probably scratch the Rio sticker and it will look better, but it depends on the skin. What is in your RMR Killers storage unit? At the moment, nothing. But, pretty much all of these stickers are technically fair game. I want to invest 5,000 euros for cases, fracture or snakebite. Why not just do half and half? Safer. One of them is going to get removed next, and fracture is more popular, but snakebite, you know, they're both good, dude. Just do half and half, honestly. It's really hard to predict these things. People are sleeping on Legends capsule. They are. Rio capsule, should I buy or is it too late? I don't think it's too late. I think you're missing out. You missed out on a lot of profit, but I don't think it's too late. But I wouldn't go all in. Like, I wouldn't throw thousands of dollars into it right now. That would be very unwise. No. Okay, I'll do 50-50. That's smart. That's smart. That's a good strategy. What would you currently buy for 1K budget? Simple. if you really want to know, 25% of that 1K goes into cases like revolver cases, fracture cases, cases like that, right? 25% goes into that. 25% goes into Antwerp capsules. 25% goes into Stockholm capsules. And 25% goes into Rio capsules. If you want to divide the 25% into smaller percentages where you do a little bit of capsules, a little bit of hollows, foils, or okay, maybe not foils, but you know, golds or whatever, you can do that. Pick your teams, pick your famous, popular teams. That would be a strategy. Asimov price, please. What do you mean? You want me to price check your Asimov? No, I'm not gonna price check your Asimov. This is a stream where we're talking about investments. We're talking about Rio investments or capsules. ESL Challenger Rio un April. What does that mean? Un April. I personally bought Cloud9 Antwerp hollows. Do you think that's a good investment? Long term, yes. They have a very good hollow effect. We're talking about how to be rich 101. Yes. Holding some funds for an operation good. Smart move. Make sure you have enough to buy the pass. 00 Nation is going to the moon. They are. What's up there, Camille? How you doing, man? Welcome to the stream, dude. What are your thoughts on Prisma 2s? I have a bunch of Prisma 2s. I'm invested in them, yeah. I like Prisma 2s. Oh, man. Oh, chat. We will see, man. This weekend is going to be interesting. This is going to be an interesting weekend. Going to be very interesting to see what will happen. Do you think investing in Krakow 17 is still worth it? No. And please understand, like, when I say no, I'm not saying, like, no, you won't be able to make money, or no, it's not going to be profitable. I'm not saying that. I'm saying just... With all the things you can be investing in right now, it's just... I probably wouldn't... wouldn't focus too much on it. How do you evaluate the potential profitability of a CSGO investment? Experience, being in the market for 10 years, just knowing what's popular, what's not, what generally goes up, goes down after certain key events that happen, making predictions, estimates. I'm not a fortune teller. I just use what has already happened in the past and try to project it onto what will probably happen, what can happen. It's just, you know, and this is just my opinions, man. Like, for all I know, you know what I mean? Like, for all I know, Rio could go back down to 25 cents tomorrow. I doubt it. I highly doubt it. But it could. I have no clue. Historically speaking, it probably won't go back down. But what do you think about Rio Legends capsule? I invested at 28. Good for you. You've doubled your money. Congrats. Almost doubled your money. How to know how much time to hold an investment in an inventory? I mean, okay, so that requires experience in the form of knowing what you're investing in, right? So, like, if you're investing in something that has, something that is rare and old and discontinued, like a Norse collection skin, a Cobblestone collection skin, an Operation collection skin, a discontinued Operation collection skin that's no longer being added to the game, an OG knife, like the Butterfly knife, Karambit knife, M9. I consider Butterfly OG, even though it was added after. I still consider it kind of OG. But anyways, so like, if you're a long-term investor, you buy you buy Karambits and M9s, and you hold on to your value. You're not gonna get insane returns. You're not gonna double your money in a few days, but you're gonna hold on to it for a long time and see the price go up. That being said, if you're looking for some fast return profits, you go towards the Rio stickers, because they were on sale for 25 cents a few days ago, and now they're not, and they've doubled. Simple, easy investing, right? Short term. You sell a little now, maybe the price goes down a little bit, and then, you know, for some reason it shoots back up, you sell a little bit more. Simple investing. Tactics. Short term investing tactics. Same thing with cases. You buy cases that are still dropping, like Snakebite and Fracture. You buy them when they're cheap, preferably 17 cents, 15 cents. I bought mine at 12 cents, 13 cents. You hold on to them for a couple months. They start to rise. Maybe you sell a little when you double your money. You sell more when you triple your money. You sell a little bit. You sell all of it when you quadruple your money. You set goals and targets that once it hits, you sell. I don't think you should look at it from the perspective of I'm gonna hold on to this item for 6 months and I'm gonna sell at whatever the price is at 6 months. That's generally not how I would view investing in CS:GO, if that makes sense. Spotify, this is not a Spotify playlist. This is a YouTube playlist. Will Rio reach 60 cents? It could very well reach 60 cents. What is I missed the sale of the Rio? What if I missed the sale of the Rio? Nothing. I mean, you could buy now and pay a premium to what you could have bought when, you know, when it was on sale. But at the end of the day, you're just gonna make less profit. That's all. And it's riskier, meaning it could go down. How much? I don't know. But Riptide stickers exploded in price. Glad I got some. Yeah, those are limited time only stickers, and they seem to be very popular. So good job on your end for sure. I thought Rio Challengers capsule will go in price faster than contenders. It's so hard to predict which one will do better. And for all we know, maybe in a month, the challengers will outperform contenders. I have no clue. That's why you should buy both. Should I still buy it? If you have some money to spend, why not? Wouldn't hurt. Should I wait for a new operation to invest in cases? I would definitely invest in the operation cases, but yeah, you know, waiting isn't a terrible idea. How do you identify something as undervalued or overvalued in the CS:GO market? There's so many factors. It's not as easy as just looking at numbers. You know, if you invest in like equity markets like stocks, you can look at like the PE ratios or the PEG ratios. You can look at their market cap. You can look at so many numbers and statistics to like formulate whether or not something is undervalued or overvalued. For CS:GO, you don't have that. What you usually just need to go off of is experience and just like your knowledge of the game and how skins work, and look at like the trends and what's popular, what people are crafting, you know, what knives most people are using, what skins most people are using, general just demand, right? So, nice shilling? What do you mean? The fuck? Nice shilling? This guy. What am I shilling? Burketto, how you doing there, Burketto? Welcome to the stream, man. So like for example, and I'll give you an example, and every item is unique. Obviously, some items fit under the same umbrellas, so like all major sticker capsules generally fall under the same umbrella. All CS:GO cases generally fall under the same case investing strategies. All CS:GO skins, or not all CS:GO skins, CS:GO skins get divided into two groups: operation skins, non-operation skins, case skins. There's three skins: drop skins, operation skins, case skins, and those are three separate categories. They have their own investing strategies. You have knives. What kind of knife is it? Is it an OG knife that is only found in certain cases that are expensive nowadays, that are rare? Are you looking at new cases and knives from newer cases? Are you looking at gloves? Good gloves, tier 1 gloves, tier 2 gloves. Like, you need to like have that experience playing this game for a long time and just like knowing all this stuff. And that's what comes from just playing and learning, you know? I have $10 invested into Rio. First time investor. I can add $5 to $10 per month in Steam balance. Advice for future investments to get a decent inventory. So personally, if I were you, since you don't have too much money to start, I would save some of that money for when an operation comes out, and then buy a couple of the passes, get those passes on a couple of Steam accounts, and just play the missions, you know? You know, if you only have one Steam account, that's fine. Just buy the pass for one account, play all your missions, get your cases, hold on to those cases, and then sell your cases. You can use the remainder money to invest in whatever's trending at the time, or maybe like the sticker collection from the upcoming operation. That would be W advice. Yeah, exactly. Well said. Thank you, Young Trip. Thank you. All the advice I'm giving is what I would do. You know, I'm not telling you what to do. I'm telling you what I would do, and you can make that decision yourself. You know, if you want to invest in, you know, unicorn hollows or stupid banana foils, there's actually a sticker called that, by all means go for it, you know, but this is what I would do. Why not investing directly into cases without buying the pass? Well, here's the thing. It's simple math, and I'll show you, and I'll prove it to you. Okay, so it's simple math. I'll prove it to you. So thanks for sharing us your point of view, Fano. Hey, no problem, no problem. That's what I like to do. So here's the thing. It's simple math. Operation passes, for the sake of simplicity, let's say they're $15, right, chat? Let's just say they're $15. They're probably like a little bit more, but either way, they're $15. Let's say I have $100 to spend, right? $100 divided by 15 is 6.6. I can buy 6 passes, operation passes, right? I can buy 6 passes. You know what? For the sake of argument, let's just say 5. Let's just say I can buy 5 passes. Whatever. 5 is enough. So we're buying 5 passes. Operation passes. I do the missions on all 5 accounts. I'm going to get 50 cases per account. So that means I'm going to get 250 cases. Had I taken that $100 and just bought the cases when they were $1, I would have 100 cases. You see the difference? If the price goes down and I have $100 and I buy it at 60 cents, I'll have 166 cases. You see the difference? 250 as opposed to 166 for the same amount of money. So that being said, if you go down this route, you're gonna have to invest more time into the game. You're gonna have to play. You're gonna have to do it on multiple accounts. You're gonna have to do a lot of hurdles. It's not as simple as just buying the cases, like you said. Generally speaking, operation cases don't dip that much in recent years. They go down to like 50 cents, 55, 60, 70 cents. They don't go down too much, too low. So keep that in mind. Riptide was as low as 40 cents. Okay. It could go down. Listen, I'm not saying it can't go down. I'm just saying you'd have to really be careful. You'd have to hope that it goes down to 40 cents and make sure that all of the cases that you buy are 40 cents. So listen, the easiest strategy is yes, to buy the cases and hope they go down to 40 cents. Broken Fang did not go down to 40 cents. So some operations go down, some don't. You can't really predict these things, you know what I mean? So that's why I would recommend getting the passes if you have a couple accounts and you have some time, because it's just easy or not easy, but it's safe. It's just, you just do it, right? Don't got time to play the operation. What do I invest in? Well, then you invest in the cases if you don't have time. Yeah, then you buy the cases when they go down during the operation, not after. Will something like the 10-year anniversary sticker capsule ever be removed? Probably not. When is the operation? There's a high likelihood of something being released end of March, mid-March, end of March. Something is gonna happen. I don't know if it will be an operation, maybe. Should I sell my Rio glitters? Which ones? You have to be specific. How do I reduce my current risk? My main currency can appreciate and depreciate in value when I buy and sell CSGO skins over time. What kind of currency appreciates, depreciates that much? Like, that's a lot. 9Z? I'd have to look at the market graph of 9Z. If you know, generally speaking, you sell when there's hype and demand and the price goes up, and you buy when when nobody's talking about it. So I have to look at the price. I appreciate that, Andreas. Thank you for the kind words. Yeah. But anyways, should I invest in Team Spirit Hollows Antwerp? Team Spirit Hollows are fine. You could, but I don't know, man. Like, just Team Spirit aren't as popular as some of the other teams, so it's up to you, really. Are there any high-risk, high-reward investments you're doing right now? High-risk, high-reward? Well, I'll be honest with you. the Rio stickers are kind of high-risk, not gonna lie. The Rio capsules. Like, these contenders, they're kind of high-risk. And the reason I'm saying they're high-risk is because they've already doubled, and but they could continue going up. That's what I'm saying. So like, they're pretty risky, but they can also continue rising. You saw what happened to the mouse sticker, chat. You saw what happened, or not the mouse, sorry. Guys. So like, look at this here. Look at this here. You see this? Let me go back to market. You see this contenders? It's currently 54 cents. It's already dipping a little bit. Is it going to be a straight line to the top? No, there's going to be ups, then down, then up, then down. So what I'm trying to say is, like, buying right now is risky. However, if you think it's going to continue the momentum, then you potentially have a high reward situation where if you look at like Stockholm 2021 challengers, right? You look at the challengers, they had a low supply. They did have a high demand too, but you know, it went up to 60 cents, then 80 cents, $1, then it went back down to 70 cents, then it went back up to 140, then it went all the way up to 250, then it went back down to 160. You know, it was choppy, and then in recent months, it was just absolutely high risk insanity. So, listen, I'm not saying that these capsules are going to be the next Stockholm. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying that there is risk, there is high reward and potential. And if you want to play that game, yeah, high risk, high reward. The Rio capsules are technically high risk, high reward at this point. Prior to the sale ending a few days ago, it was low risk. They were 25 cents. They had a decent chance of rising. Now that they've already risen, doubled in some cases, the risk is higher. And if you buy now, yeah, it might dip a little. You never know. So, hopefully that makes sense. Why are all skins going up right now? Why not, dude? I mean, people are just finding asset classes to pour their money. I don't know if you've been hearing the news lately, but inflation is destroying a lot of the world, and people are just finding opportunities to just put money into something so that they don't lose the value of their money. So why not CSGO skins? Why not virtual pixels? Why not, you know, just put stuff into something, hope that the money will go up, you know? What is your guess on the price of contenders in 2 years? There's a lot of variables. I don't want to give you, I'm not giving you like a price target because like a lot can happen in 2 years. Too many variables, Archer, too many variables. I'm a bit afraid that the supply of Rio capsules will go down extremely low. It very well could. I'm more interested in the demand. If the demand is high, the supply should be irrelevant. I see CSGO like stocks and crypto. They're pretty good investments. For the most part, yes. For the most part, yes. At what price did you buy your fractures? I don't have too many fractures, but definitely below 20 cents. I forget exactly. It will be so good if Valve will make withdrawal possible like in the Chinese rumor. I don't know if they're gonna allow that. They probably won't. Trust your gut. My gut says to the moon. I have 100 00 Nation hollows. I bought them for $5. What do you think? That's a good sticker, man. It's a good sticker. What is the best capsule to invest in right now? There's so many capsules. The hottest ones right now are Rios. Apart from Rios, I'm personally very, very bullish on Antwerps and Stockholms. So we'll have to see, man. Like, I personally like Stockholm, but they're all really, really good, in my opinion. Lol, on my CSGO feed, I got a patch note for the February 2nd update. Yikes. What about the Sprout glitter sticker? Nobody's really talking about it. You know, it's a decent sticker, but if nobody's really talking about it, you know, try to find investments that a lot of people are interested in, right? Sprout is a decent team, but yeah, glitters, I feel like not many people like glitters. About 500 clutch cases for 30 cents. You think that they're a good investment? That's a tough one, man. Clutch cases are hard to predict because we're just gonna have to wait and see what will happen. Historically, yes. If you're going by historical data, the price should go up. Yeah, it'll be a good investment. But this is the first time we've had a case added, like, be in the game for like 5 years before they removed it. So I have no clue what's gonna happen. Really hard to predict. RMR challengers? No. Stay away from RMR. Do you invest only in CS? No. I diversify into other asset classes. So is staying away... So should I stay away from the hype stuff? Not necessarily. Like... not necessarily. You know what I mean? Like... hold on. In this storage unit, chat, I have a bunch of Challenger capsules. Challenger capsules that have the mouse, right? I bought them at like $4, right? They're now $5. They were as high as $7, right? So like, you know, I bought in when they were still hyping, and I'm still in the green. Does that mean it will continue? No, but, you know, I'm bullish on them. But that's just me. Is it possible for you to rate my investments? Give me any advice in revolving Antwerp autographs. I don't really invest in Antwerp autographs, but we can quickly take a look at it. Just real quick. Very, very quick. So yeah, you have a lot of autographs, and there's just so much going on here. Did you open your capsules or did you invest? Oh, never mind. You have a bunch of... Okay, so this capsule is good because it has the Rocks Hollow. So I'm a big fan of this capsule. Yes, it has the Rocks Hollow. It's the only capsule in existence in CSGO that has the Rocks sticker, the Rocks Hollow, the Rocks Gold. I like it, man. I think this capsule is definitely the one. If you're investing in autographs, this is the one to invest in. Obviously, the one that has Simple is still probably going to be a good one too. But yeah, overall, your autographs are good. The one that has Simple is also a good strategy. And then, yeah, you have a bunch of like these hollows. Overall, decent investments, man. Decent investments. I have lots of Stockholm Gold player autographs. Rios are doing exceptionally well, kind of surprising. Yeah, Desolate, we've been talking about it for an hour, man. It's crazy. Wild to think about, really. It's just, yeah, low supply. Price can move really quickly. People afraid of missing out. They're not as bad as a lot of people think. Don't get me wrong, I still prefer Stockholm, I still prefer Antwerp, but they're not as bad as people think. I bought RMR at 20 cents on buff. What should I sell? Do you think RMR will ever go to $1? Depends on the RMR sticker. I just bought half of the Sprout glitters. Jesus. I don't think they'll come anywhere near Antwerp and Stockholm in terms of price. Well, to be fair, Antwerp price isn't that high, but that's only because the supply is way too high. So, like, Antwerp demand is still decent, but the supply is so high, so some of the Rio Hollows are giving Antwerp a run for their money if you really look into it. But Stockholm, I agree, though. Like, you know, the Mouse Hollow and Gold is just way too high for that comparison. I have about 3,000 capsules from Rio. Should I sell them or keep them? I think you should practice money. Like, you should be diligent, right? And you know, taking profits when you can. You don't want to get too greedy, and I'll tell you why. If you look at what happened to, I'll show you. Granted, every major is different, so like it doesn't translate perfectly one for one. But if you look at Berlin, and I'll show you, like, and again, guys, keep in mind, it's not a perfect one for one. If you look at the Berlin sticker, look at how low the supply is, right? It has a very low supply, but it has a low demand. And if you look at its chart, you'll see something very interesting. You'll see the price was, you know, this was back in the old days when it was $5. Then the sale hit, it went down to $1. Then it went all the way down as low as $1. Then the sale ended over here and it started to go back up. But then it kind of stalled for a minute. Then it spiked out of nowhere, just crazy. And then just as soon as it spiked, it dipped down. And if you had invested in the long term, and I mean like 5 years, right? Okay, not 5, 4 years, three to 4 years. If you had bought here and you didn't sell at all, you would be down. Actually, you'd be in the red. Like you'd literally be even, maybe a little bit in the green. So like, you don't want to always hold and never give up, or like never let go. Yeah, what I'm trying to say is, like, take occasional profits. If you see it go up a little bit, take some profits. If it doubles, take some profit. If it triples, take some profits. Don't get too greedy. Don't fall in love with your investments. That's what I'm trying to tell you. So again, every major is different. Every capsule is different. There's a reason why the Berlin spiked and then it fell. You know, it's not they're not the best looking stickers. There's a reason why RMR also spiked and fell, not to the same degree as Berlin, but it still did something similar. If you look at RMR Legend, if you look at its graph, you know, it was for $1. It went on sale, and then after the sale ended, it spiked up to 49 cents. Does this look familiar, chat? Does this look familiar? And then ever since, it's been... I'm not saying the same thing is gonna happen. Every major has its own circumstances, and every major is different, technically, different factors. But I'm just saying, if you didn't sell here, you definitely lost money. Or you broke even, barely, just about. So, I'm telling you, be smart, take some profits, not everything, but taking profits isn't a bad thing. Yeah. Anyways, you never know. A big determinator of Rio's long-term performance is how good the Paris stickers will be. That's true. That's true. We'll have to wait and see how Paris will look. And it's not only that desolate, but it's also like the teams that are gonna play at Paris. If there's a lot of upsets in the qualifiers and teams that we expect to make it don't make it to there, some of like the older capsules that have those teams that failed to qualify should also see some price appreciation. So like there's plenty of factors. There's a lot of factors really. Design, the teams that are in the capsules or that aren't in the capsules. So like there's a lot of factors at play. Supply, how low of a supply Rio is compared to others. Rio stickers look way better than RMR and Berlin. That's fair. They don't have the same supply. I mean, the Berlin supply is very low, but, you know, doesn't have that demand. What indicator tells you that you should invest or not invest? There really isn't such an indicator. Like I told you, it all comes down to just experience and just being able to like anticipate what will happen based off of past events. There's really nothing that will just signal and be like, boom, you gotta buy it. This isn't like stocks. This isn't like cryptos. This isn't like, you can't perform technical analysis purely. I mean, you can look at the charts a little bit, I guess, and like, okay, maybe not this chart, but like, you can see like, yeah, this chart's broken, but you know, you can sort of see these things and spot patterns, but it's more about learning CSGO, the game, and the skin economy and how demand in the skin economy works. Experience is key. Knowing what generally happens during operations, during majors, when new skins get added to the game, knowing what stickers and items are popular, what people like. You gotta follow trends. You gotta just play the game and understand, like, you know, Rio Hala are not as awful as people are saying. Yeah, exactly. And they have a low supply, because if you look at the Steam market, pretty good indicator of supply, there's only 29,000 of these. Not fast forward, rewind back to Antwerp, we had like 500,000 of Antwerps listed. Antwerp was overinvested. These are underinvested. Yes, Antwerp looked better, but did it look 5 times better? No, I don't think so. You know what I mean? Actually, 10 times. Does Antwerp look 10 times better than Rio? I don't think so. So, anyways. It is what it is, man. At the end of the day, this is all virtual pixels in a video game, so, you know, yes, it's real money. Yes, it's serious stuff, but I mean, look at that. Look at this, chat. Look at this. 34 cents. Boom. What is that? What is that giant ass candlestick? 35 cents to 45 cents in one day, less than a day. Boom. That is a crazy price action. Yeah, no, man. I don't know, dude. It's pretty wild. You should open a couple capsules, maybe. That's a terrible idea. As an investor, you should be ashamed of yourself for even suggesting it. Don't open capsules. My objective is to buy a Steam Deck out of nothing. That would be a great idea, and with investing, you can probably do it. Insane, dude. I got 2,000 capsules Wednesday. Good for you. Should we suspect huge bumps in price? Suspect or expect? I don't think you should expect anything. Like, I personally didn't expect the price to jump up this much. Like, I had a feeling that Rio was gonna go up. I didn't have a feeling it was gonna go up like this fast. You know what I mean? Like, I thought it was gonna be slow. Today was just like insanity. 34 cents to 45 cents. That was like huge pump. I don't think you're gonna see the same one tomorrow. That's just my opinion, but who knows, man? Who really knows? Just open one, it won't hurt. I'm good, dude. You can do it, Fano. All right, now we're turning into degenerates, and then this is no, we're not doing that. We're not doing that, chat. We're not opening capsules. That's for gamblers. We're investors. Come on. Yo, I sold it yesterday at 33 cents. Ouch. I feel a Zaiwu coming. Open one or I leave. You're welcome to leave, my guy. This is a free internet, free country. I feel a gold coming. I mean, that would be interesting. I'm too poor to forget about it. Oof. Do you think it's the supply who makes this investment growing up? Yes, it's the low supply coupled with the fear of missing out on an item that was recently removed, causing the demand to go up. That's why the price is up. If I hold the RMR for like three more years or something like that, will they go up? Probably, but I mean, you're gonna have to wait a long time. Yeah. I opened mine before the sale ended and now I regret it. Exactly. Don't open your investments. Don't open capsules or cases. It's no, just no. I'm planning to buy 100 Navi Hollows. What is your thoughts? Stockholm or Antwerp? Which one do I choose? They look pretty similar, so I really don't know which one you choose. I mean, I really don't know. Look at the price, look at the quantity. They're very similar. They're probably both gonna rise. I don't know, dude. I really don't know which one's better. Do you remember me? Of course I remember you, TB. I don't mind because I don't want to lose a single cent off of this investment. Nice. I know it's not Rio, but I bought yesterday in imminent danger. Do you have a price target? No. But I do think it will long-term be a decent store of value. I don't know how high it will go, but I do think that it wasn't a bad decision long-term. Clutch cases, it looks like it's staying at about 40 cents. Looks like it. What do I invest in? Capsules or stickers themselves? A little bit of both. I would say 80-20. 80% sticker capsules, 20% stickers. Or maybe 60-40. 70-30. No more than 80-20. And no less than 60-40. Or 50-50. You know, everybody's different, though. Everybody's different. So, like, I personally like capsules, but hollows are also good. Are we getting any operations, Fano? We will have to see. Confusion? Yes. There's a lot of confusion. Okay, chat. All right, boys. Anyways, I just wanted to go live and just briefly talk about these investments. I don't know, chat. I think this was a pretty good stream. I answered a lot of questions. If you guys have any future questions, like just, you know, that come up like off stream, you can always leave a comment on YouTube, or even better, just send me a tweet. You know, I'm active on Twitter, guys. Follow me on Twitter, FanoCSGO. You can always just ask me questions. You can always just like @ me on Twitter, and dumped my contender capsules, and now we wait for the dip. You'll be waiting a long time, hopefully. No, but I mean, just in general, like, if you have any questions, just like tag me on Twitter, and we'll be good to go. Okay, chat. This was a good stream. Have a fantastic rest of your evening, chat. Enjoy your Fridays. Go outside. Go to the gym. Hang out with friends. Get some good sleep. You've earned it. It's the weekend. I hope to see you guys in future streams and videos. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys next time. Have a great weekend, chat. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye. Bye, chat. Love you guys. Thank you. Happy Friday, chat. Happy Friday.